welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and I am super excited to be launching a new e-course today. This one is going to be called my Scrappy Stars e-course. The Scrappy Stars e-course is a companion course or follow-up class to my beginning How to Quilt series. If you haven't seen that, I will make sure to link that below, but that one really covered everything you need to know from start to finish to how to make your very first quilt. In this class, we're going to dive a little bit deeper. We're going to go into some more complicated or intermediate level techniques so that you can really up your quilting game. This class features this Scrappy Stars quilt, which you see behind me. The pattern will include sizes for 6.5 inch or 12.5 inch blocks, so you can make whichever one you like. The one on the wall is going to be my 12.5 inch quilt. The one on the ladder there shows off the 6.5 inch blocks. And then as you can see, there are different sashing options. So the one on the ladder is showing you how to do these cute little mini stars in between each of your blocks. And then on the one on the wall, I wanted to give you a different finishing option so you can do it without the sashing. And as you can see, I think they both turned out super cute. The class itself will feature PDF download for the actual quilt pattern itself. It comes in both 6.5 and 12.5 inch blocks like I mentioned. You will also receive a video class for each block, including all the sashing blocks and then that nice big star outer border that you see behind me. It also features a discussion forum where you can ask me questions or talk to other quilters in the course, and we can all share tips and tricks and learn from each other. We can also share our finished projects and our progress as we go. The class also features bonus videos on all of my favorite supplies. I'll also show you how I store my fabric and how I work for my stash, and I will show you how to get that perfect 1/4 inch seam. So if you're ready to up your quilting game, I hope you join me for my Scrappy Stars e-course. If you have any comments or questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below this video and I will get back to you. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in class.